Hello everyone and welcome back to iGeekHacks. Now we're entering one of the most important parts of Power BI, data modeling. This is where everything finally comes together. Make sure you finish cleaning your data. Now go to the top, click Close and Apply. Power BI will load your cleaned data into the model. Once that's done, go to the left side and click Model View. Now you'll see your tables as blocks on the screen. Right now your tables exist, but they're not fully connected. We need to create relationships so they can talk to each other. If you look closely, you might already see a relationship between staff and contracts. Power BI sometimes creates this automatically. Click on the small arrow in the middle of the relationship line. Now look at the highlighted columns, contracts ID in staff and ID contracts in contracts. This shows exactly what is connected. Let's remove it to understand the process. Right-click on the relationship line, then click Delete. Now there is no relationship between the tables. Now let's do it manually. Drag ID contract from contracts, then drop it on the contracts ID in staff. Done. You just recreated the relationship. Now let's connect job titles. Drag ID title from job titles table, then drop it on position ID in staff table. Now the last one, drag the ID department, then drop it on the department's ID. Now Power BI understands which employee has which contract, which job title belongs to which employee, and which department each employee belongs to. Everything is connected. So without relationships, tables don't interact, filters won't work, and reports break. This is the moment where your project becomes a real data model. Not just tables, but a connected system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.